Kas walitupa support, walitupanga tournament tukacheza. Pale tumefika yenyewe hatukuwa tumefika mbeleni, tumejaribu, tumejituma kutosha, but tumefika nationals, hadi nationals tukacheza, alafu tulishinda award kidogo kiasi, alafu hiyo award wametuletea leo. Na hiyo pesa inanisaidia sana. Kwanza mimi si mimi peke yangu, inasaidia wazazi yangu, mimi inasaidia kwanza mimi.
As the county, we really welcome you for this event. I'm happy, and the boys, I'm sure they are very happy also. With the little token they are given, they will help themselves and their families. Some of them will pay their school fees using that money. And these boys had been selected across the county as per their talents. This brings the bonding of these boys. They come from different tribes. As we know, Marsabit County is made up of 14 tribes, and our boys is a mixture of almost all the tribes. This brings the cooperation and the unity among them, increasing their peace, coexistence among themselves. And we are very happy in future. I feel these boys will go far with their talents of football. Some of them had been selected in the academies, and I'm sure they will reach somewhere in life. You know, when these children come from different tribes, this bond them together for unity, and it brings peace in this county. As we all know, Marsabit is a county that is known with security issues sometimes, but the bonding of these boys, bringing the communities together, the societies together through their bonding, will bring peace in this county. Already we are enjoying peace in the county, and I feel these boys, their bonding will continue bringing peace to this county. Thank you very much for what you have done, and I'm happy for this as the county executive committee member for sports.
Now, Guthambia